Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your search history on Instagram. First thing, you want to launch the Instagram app, then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. Then you want to click on the settings and privacy icon. And then simply you want to go over here and you want to click on search history. This is where the automatic search history will appear and you will have automatically log in to your recent search history. You will be able to clear all searches by clicking on the lower middle side of the screen. Also very important is that you can actually modify this in advance. In our example over here we have keep searches for on default. On default it's 30 days, meaning that what you currently used as a search queries for the last 30 days will be saved automatically. But this is how we can actually change this. We can change this to 3 days, we can change this to 7 days, and we can change this to 14 days as well. This is very important, especially if you try to catch up trends on Instagram. Something that is trendy this month might not be trendy next month, so you probably don't want to search for it and you don't want to keep the search queries for it. Because remember, Instagram algorithm is based on what you search for, and this is the type of content will be recommended to you, including ads and other pieces of content and accounts. So this is how you actually clear your search history on Instagram. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.